To automatically replace profanity with asterisk when using live caption on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable the setting to hide profanity in the live caption setting menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption. Scroll down the screen. Under settings section, tap the gray on off switch next to hide profanity until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With the setting, now live caption will automatically replace profanity spoken within a speech with asterisk. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.